Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Now, this is how your workflow is right now. You have a start and end, and you have only one state. If I go to one state, I can add a new action here, what we want to do in that workflow. Let's say, I say send, set field mandatory. We have all these things available. Here which field I say memo. So in this case, what will happen on that condition? What we have enabled. Whenever you create a new sales order or edit an existing sales order which is dated after 1st of June, you will see that memo field will be mandatory. So let's say, if I go create sales order, so if I'm making a field mandatory, actually it should be record before record load, not record submit. I'm just making a field mandatory. So here, if you go to, there is the system notes, here the system notes also. So now I think the admin for this account has disabled the System Information tab. Otherwise, under System Information, you will be able to see all the workflow history also. So how it triggered, how it executed and everything. Why I don't. This is a standard thing. I don't know why they have disabled it. Let me just see customize. From right now the hosting stage. So it's confusing, are you okay? Apprentice at your Citami. System information. System information is allowable. Why don't you have? No. Information is checked only right. That's weird. I pushed it. I don't see it here. Finally. And to come here personally. You understood the basic thing right. This is how you create a workload. Okay, let me do that, that's okay. If you want. Or maybe I'll try it on a different field altogether. Okay, and we'll try to remove this condition also. The more. Okay. You're saying, okay, now it has to be done on the transactions only. I cannot change the type. The code type. Let me try it on vendor bill. No description. Nothing. Record. Record type to vendor bill on this action. We are saying, set the field memo as mandatory on vendor bill. Okay. And I hope we have a field on vendor bill. Enter vendor bill. Yeah. You see the memo field has become mandatory now. On vendor bill. Right as soon as the record is loaded. And we can see that the action is before record load. It has become mandatory. So this is what we achieve using workflow. So workflow. The better thing about workflow is that it is easily configurable and customizable. So you can just come here, configure it, and then change. Make changes. So anybody who is not very familiar with scripting can definitely build a workflow. So this is actually, functional. It is actually part of functional thing. So anybody who is, functional consultant, can do the works and workflows? They can create a workflow, configure it, and all that can be done here. Okay. Now, this is a very simple workflow. So what we did, we just created a workflow and set up the memo field mandatory on record load. Similarly, you can add tons of actions, tons of stages. Once you know how do you want to flow from one stage to another, so all that can be done. Yeah, so now thing with workflow is that it had this feature available, but there are still certain limitations. Okay. For example, you will not find an option to put conditions on line level fields. So let's say you have in case of a transaction, you have a body level field and line level field, right? Be it when to build a particular thing. The workflow does not have an option to, put any condition on line level field. And other than that, if there is an action you want to build some additional logic, which is not directly available in workflow, could be any action. Right. The workflow has this basic action you can create. You can send an email or create a button or all that. Right, but you cannot. If, let's say, from workflow, you want to call another logic, like all of the customization or redirect to any page or anything that are not there in workflow. So workflow has limited set of actions and possibilities. So what NetSuite has come up with.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.